This video is switch installation instructions for the 2023 to 2026 Ford Powerstroke. Start by popping the hood on your truck and unpackaging your switch. Find a spot inside the cab to mount your switch. There are no good mounting holes, so you can drill a small hole and mount the switch as seen here. Locate the hood release cable where it is fed through the firewall behind the brake pedal. Using a razor, cut a slit into the hood release grommet on the firewall inside of the cab. Locate a coat hanger or wire to use for feeding the wires into the engine bay. Inside the cab, tape the switch wire ends to the end of your hanger or wire. Pull the hanger or wire into the engine bay through the slit you cut in the grommet with the switch wires connected. Pull the hanger or wire into the engine bay through the slit you cut in the grommet with the switch wires connected. After the coat hanger and wires are fed into the engine bay, untape the switch wires from the hanger or wire. Place conduit supplied with the switch over the wires to protect them. Using the supplied connector, pin switch wires into the connector. There are only 2 wires that need to be connected, and they can go in either hole. Once the switch has been pinned to the supplied connector, disconnect the factory harness from the charge air temp sensor. Plug the new switch connector in the truck harness. Tape off the factory sensor connector to prevent corrosion. Secure the conduit and switch wire under the hood using zip ties. This completes the switch installation on your 23 to 25 Ford Powerstroke. If you have any further questions or didn't find the answer to the question you were looking for, be sure to give us a call at 815-568-7920 and one of our remote support experts will be able to help you out. Thanks for watching.